Hi, my name is Del, and I'm the founder of Unfinished. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble our wall shelves. I'm using two here, but this applies to any of our configurations. Your shelves are going to come in two parts, arms and the shelves themselves. Start off by moving your shelves to the side and grabbing your arms. On the back of the arms are keyholes. These are what's going to be used to mount to the wall. Place them facing down. Grab your first shelf and align it with the grooves on the arms. You may need to move them around a little bit, but once you get them in place, your shelf will slide right in. Grab your other shelf and do the same thing. Repeat this for as many shelves you have. Once you've done so, make sure your keyholes are both in the same spot, and then you're ready to mount. These shelves are incredibly strong and will hold up quite a bit of weight so long as you mount them using studs or anchors. And that's it. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.